Good morning, students. Welcome to another interesting e-learning session. In the previous session, we learnt about the skeletal system and the muscular system. In this session, we will learn about digestive system, respiratory system, nervous system, circulatory system, excretory system, and reproductive system. All living things need food for their survival, but our body cannot use the food that we eat as it is. It has to be first broken down into simpler substances that can be used by our body. Let's learn what is digestion and how the food that we eat is changed into simpler substances. Digestion. It is a process of breaking the complex food into simpler substances that can be used by our body. There are many organs that help us to change the complex food into simpler substances. These organs together form our digestive system. The different organs of our digestive system are mouth, food pipe, stomach, liver, small intestine, large intestine, and the anus. We take the food through our mouth, which is broken down by the teeth, and the saliva. Saliva is a juice that is released in our mouth, which helps in digestion. The food then passes into the stomach through the food pipe. In the stomach, the food gets mixed thoroughly with the juice produced in the stomach and gets broken down further. The small intestine and the large intestine absorb the nutrients and water from the food. Some part of the food is not digested, which passes through the large intestine and is ultimately thrown out of the body through the anus. All living things breathe so as to survive. We breathe through our nose, and the air we breathe in is called the inhaled air, and the air we breathe out is called the exhaled air. So let's learn about our respiratory system and how it works. The nose, the windpipe, and the lungs together form our respiratory system. As we breathe in through our nose, air containing oxygen goes in. Through the windpipe, it reaches the lungs. Inside the lungs, there are air sacs, which are balloon-like structures. These air sacs are surrounded by capillaries, which bring carbon dioxide rich blood from different parts of the body to the air sacs. From these air sacs, oxygen is taken into the capillaries, which carries it to each and every cell of our body. We are able to walk, speak, breathe, and learn properly. We are also able to give proper reactions to the changes that take place in the environment. This is all done with the help of a system called the nervous system. So let's learn about our nervous system. Our nervous system is made up of the brain, the spinal cord, and the nerves. The brain receives messages from different parts of the body, and it gives orders to different parts of the body. These messages pass through the spinal cord, which connects the brain to all the parts of the body through the nerves. The nerves carry the messages from different parts of the body to the brain, and also carry the orders of the brain to the muscles, the bones, and other parts of the body. Just as a car cannot work without its engine, our body cannot work without the heart. So let's learn about our circulatory system, which includes heart. Circulatory system consists of the heart, the blood vessels, and the blood. The heart is like a pump which pumps blood to all the parts of the body. Blood vessels are thin tubes which carry blood to all the parts of our body. Blood travels to all the parts of the body through the network of blood vessels and carry various substances from one part of the body to the other. The excretory system of our body, which mainly consists of a pair of kidneys that help us to throw the waste products out of our body in the form of urine. Our skin also helps us in throwing out the waste in the form of sweat. The reproductive system helps in producing young ones or babies. Our body is a wonderful machine which needs to be maintained. Exercise and yoga helps us to keep our body healthy by increasing our strength and building muscles. Therefore, it should be a part of everyone's life to maintain a perfect and healthy body. Thank you for watching this video. Until we meet again, stay home and stay safe.